Welcome back again to my channel. My name is Abby. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to make chicken Chinese fried rice. This is my own version. It's quick and it's easy to make. I'll be going through the ingredients with you guys and the cooking process as well. Please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, leave your comments down below and share my video as well. So you'll be needing eggs, boneless chicken. You can either use the breast, but I use the thighs because it's more flavorful. Diced carrot, and I cut it smaller than the regular size you use for the normal vegetable fried rice. I just like it smaller. Spring onions, peas, red and green bell peppers. You can use other colors if you have. I couldn't find, that's why I'm using just these two. Garlic paste, this is optional, but I just like the taste of it in my fried rice. Oyster sauce, this is very important, as well as soy sauce as well. It's very important in making Chinese fried rice. Salt and chicken seasoning to taste. You can use any seasoning of your choice, honestly. Then cooking oil and cooked basmati rice, which has been cooked already in chicken stock. So let's get right into the video. The first thing you want to do is to fry your eggs. I didn't season mine. You can season yours if you want, but I don't think it needs to be seasoned. Sorry. So this is me just making the regular scrambled egg, and I'll place that aside. The next thing is to put your pan or your frying pan or your wok on your gas and add your chicken, your boneless chicken, into it. Please add oil as well. I forgot to say that. Then you season it. You have to season it. You don't want your chicken tasting very tasteless. You don't want that. You want to season it very well. You want it to brown beautifully before taking out of the frying pan. You can use shrimps. You can use beef strips, anything, but I decided to use chicken. So after frying the chicken, I reduced the oil because it was too much. Then I went ahead to add my carrot, my diced carrot, and my garlic paste into the pan. Anyways, this is me just adding my peas to it. I'm stir frying the peas and the carrot first because they take longer to soften up. That's why. Then you want to stir fry your vegetables properly. When you stir fry it properly, it lasts longer. Believe me, your rice lasts longer than when you don't stir fry. It will spoil quick. Then while stir frying, I added my bell peppers to it and stir fried a little bit. You see this liquid I'm showing you, want them to dry up before moving forward. You want your rice to be dried and warm. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. You don't want it to be mushy and soggy and stuff like that. You want the liquid in it to dry. So this is me stir frying it. This recipe requires a lot of stir frying, so you cannot just put it on the gas cooker and go do something else. You have to stir fry as you add in your ingredients. So this is me just seasoning my vegetables. Like I said, you need to season everything step by step. Apart from the eggs, you can season it, but I chose not to. So yeah, after adding the seasoning, I'm stir frying again. After a little while, I added my cooked rice that's been cooked in chicken stock into the vegetables. Then I added my soy sauce and my oyster sauce. I stir fried again for about 2 minutes, 1 or 2 minutes. Yeah, you just want everything coated. You want all the sauce that you just added coated everywhere around the chicken, around the rice, I'm sorry. So yeah, I added in my scrambled eggs and my fried chicken and continued to stir fry. Lastly, I added my spring onions. I like to put this last. I don't want the color to change, I think. I just like when the color is very vibrant. Especially the spring onion, I like putting it last because it gives you another aroma entirely. So yeah, that's the finished product. Thank you for watching this video. Please, if you create this, let me know. Tag me at Lavish Meals by Abi on Instagram and Msabitutorials as well. Thank you. Please subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, leave your comments down below, share my video as well, and I'll see you in another video. Bye.